Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your project from Base44. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to simply preview the application that you have built in Base44. So once you're good with the application, you're going to simply publish it if you want to do so. But if you want to specifically download it, you're going to simply click on the three dots over here, and then you're going to click on export project as zip. So it says that upgrade required zip file export is only available on Builder, Pro, Elite, and Enterprise plans. So you're going to click on upgrade your plan over here. So here you're going to choose the plan that is right for you. You have an Elite plan for $160 per month. And then we have this Pro, we have a Builder one and a Starter one. So if you're not really into any company and you're just downloading it for one time, you can simply go with the Starter one, or you can go with the Builder one if you build the apps occasionally and wish to download them. So once you have upgraded your plan, you're going to simply click on export zip button that will appear over here if you have upgraded your plan. So you're going to simply click on that and your zip folder will be downloaded. So simply navigate to that and unzip your project. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.